这个座位有人坐吗？
Is this seat vacant? Is this seat vacant? Is this seat vacant?
真好，我们有了靠窗的位置。
It's nice we've got a window seat. It's nice we've got a window seat. It's nice we've got a window seat.
我想要靠过道的位置。
I prefer the aisle seat here. I prefer the aisle seat here. I prefer the aisle seat here.
你们火车上有什么纪念品卖吗？
Do you sell any souvenirs on the train? Do you sell any souvenirs on the train? Do you sell any souvenirs on the train?
餐车在哪个方向？
Which way is the dining car? Which way is the dining car? Which way is the dining car?
餐车在列车中部的8号车厢。
The dining car is number 8 carriage in the middle of the train. The dining car is number 8 carriage in the middle of the train. The dining car is number 8 carriage in the middle of the train.